Hello, I'm Marcus Johnson from Glass A Media, and today I'm going to talk you through 3 video content ideas that will work fantastically as part of your video marketing strategy. Firstly, what I like to call a table talk video. These give you the opportunity to talk directly to your client or customer about a product or service that you're offering. You might be wondering, what's a table talk video? Well, thank you for asking. It's exactly as it sounds. You sat behind a table or desk, talking directly to the camera and communicating with your clients. Okay, so you might think me dwelling on the idea of having a table might seem a little bit daft, but what it does allow you to do is create your own little TV style setup. What I like to do is sit behind quite a plain desk, but use the space on the desk and behind you to reveal a bit about your identity and brand. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you could have your laptop on the desk, your drawing pad, and some posters behind you indicating the type of designs that you're into. These are very subtle things, but immediately give your video a little bit of identity. This is great because it's not only building your own personal brand, but the brand of your company and business as well. As soon as somebody starts watching the video, they get all these soft hints to what you're all about without you directly telling them. This means all through the video, the viewer is getting to know more about you without you having to directly tell them. This builds your own personal identity and that of your brand. I mean, it's great to get information out there and build up what your customers and clients think about you. Another reason I like the idea of sitting behind a table is because it puts you in the position of a newsreader. Okay, it doesn't have to be as formal as that, but you're then in the position to deliver important information or news to your customers and clients. This is ideal because it plays to the strengths of these types of videos. You still want the set to be quite informal, but you also want to come across as knowledgeable and be the person that's got the information or the news to share with the customer. So to do this, I'd advise preparing with a short script. Nothing too long, as you don't want to overcomplicate this process. There are 2 ways of approaching the script. Either write your script word for word, but if you do this, make sure you keep it short and snappy so you get to the point. Or, as I prefer, put bullet points. By doing it this way, you know that you get into the key information and you can tick them off as you go along. Make sure you're talking directly to the camera. This should be a conversation between you and your client or customer, so you want to look right down the barrel and deliver the information as if you're having a conversation. And this is where this type of video really comes into its own, because you are looking directly down the camera and communicating with your customers and clients. You are delivering information to them one-to-one without any marketing spiel getting in the way. One tip here for when you are planning is make sure the topic that you're talking about is something that you know your customer or client will get value from. For example, this could be you talking through one of your products. Have it on the desk with you and go through the key points about it. This is fantastic because it keeps that communication going between you and the customer, and you are talking directly to them about something that they want to know. Often benefits of a product can get lost in the marketing, but this way they see your face delivering the information passionately about what you believe in. They'll get the key information, the correct information, and they'll feel a lot more connected to you as they're going. As well as product talk-through videos, you can also give your customers tips and update them on the latest company news. This is fantastic because the set is already put in a way where it gives you that authority when they're delivering the news, but it's also useful information for your clients. So get your table out, get the camera rolling, and you have some great table talk videos in no time. So the second type of video is the YouTuber style video. I know this could seem overwhelming, and not all of us are the quirky, overnight oat eating millennials that you see online, but don't let this put you off. What we're looking for here is not necessarily recreating all the top content on YouTube. We want to take inspiration for the type of creativity that YouTube allows us to express. YouTube videos are so watchable is because it allows the creators to bend the rules of what you'd normally expect to see in a certain type of video. There are so many ways to do this. Vlogs, updates on company events, or just showing off what you've been doing in your working day. This might seem boring to you, but it lets people see the more informal side of your brand. Not all brands have the image of being wacky and off the wall, but this doesn't mean you can't show your informal side. It humanises you and your business and allows people to feel more connected in the messages that you're delivering. And don't think you need a really high production value for these type of videos. Just get your smartphone out and start filming snippets of your day. This is a great way to get started. Whether it be about the office or whether you're working from home, there's still things that you can film which will be put together in a great, insightful video. A fantastic place to start is filming these snippets and putting them together in a 60-second overview of your day. These can regularly be put out by different staff members, and before you know it, you've got a full library of these behind the scenes videos which will go on YouTube but also use the YouTube inspired style to be pushed out in different areas. As you start building up confidence and an audience for these type of videos, you can be more creative and experiment with different styles. There's no limit to what you can do here, but little things like challenges and fun interviews that aren't related to work are very watchable and very easy to film. But don't let me tell you what you have to do. Throw together the creative ideas of your team and I'm sure you'll come up with something truly original. So don't think that all your video content has to be straight to the marketing point and really formal. Taking inspiration from YouTube and YouTubers is a great way of letting creativity into your videos and giving a different type of marketing approach. And finally, motion graphic based videos. I know I keep banging on about text-based animation and motion graphics, but they really are a quick and effective way of getting your brand message out there. Motion graphics covers everything from text-based animations to animated images, logos and characters. This means it gives you so many opportunities to tell different stories, communicate messages and show your branding in loads of different ways. The beauty of more extended motion graphics rather than just text-based animations means that you can deliver more visual information. Instantly, these can share things like numerical information in a more visual form. Motion graphics can extend to animating your logo or any other visual imagery related to your brand. Use everything from your fonts, logos, colours and all your brand assets to create a video which is instantly recognisable as being part of your brand. As well as looking great, these videos often outperform static images on organic posts on social. This is because the content is short and snappy, you can get more information in there than an image, and don't let people tell you this, but the social algorithms on all the different platforms want to pump more video content out there. So if you've got a Facebook ad running, more often than not, if you put some video content in there, you'll get better results. Very basic versions of these videos can be created easily. Videos such as 4 static images rolling together into a video straight away give you a little bit of video content. Okay, they're not ideal, but you'll be on your way to more complex videos. Moving on from this, there's loads of free software on there where you can animate text and images and create short snippet videos. These will be great for those social posts, won't be too hard to create, and you can start churning content out very quickly. Yes, this takes time to develop your skills and learn, but the results are well worth it. They will then work fantastically within other videos. Adding motion graphics to actual video footage is a fantastic combination and the results can be really effective. Or you could get a professional to help you out to turn your creative dreams into a motion graphic based reality. And I'm sure if you ask us nicely, we'll be able to help you out with that. This will definitely add to your content game and give you a whole variety of video content to put out there. So there we have it. There's 3 different types of video content that you can create to sit perfectly inside your video marketing strategy. So go out there, start experimenting and create some great content of your own. So as always, if you need any help producing any of this type of content, just get in touch with us now. Head over to glassamedia.com and the Glass A team will be on hand to help you out straight away. See you later.